Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to do a comparison between the Shark Stratos, which is my new vacuum cleaner, compared to the old powered liftway model. I did a brief unboxing of these two vacuum cleaners and I've done a full review on my powered liftaway, which you can check out in the description. But today is a very brief, very quick to show you the good points and the bad points. So let's get straight into it. So let's start off with the bad points. This machine compared to this one is much heavier. You'll notice that when you're trying to maneuver it around, it feels really heavy. Now, one of the things that makes this slightly harder to use compared to the older model is underneath at the bottom is that it now has this kind of rubberized finished roller, whereas traditionally on the older model it was a brush. Now that's really good in some ways, which leads on to how good it is at cleaning, but it causes more friction on a carpet. So you would have found that if you've used an old Shark before, they have a tendency to kind of pull you forwards. Well, with this it does it even more because the rubber grips onto the carpet as it's spinning, so you'll find that there's a lot more kind of weight and the vacuum feels like it's pulling you forward even more so. So that means that when you pull it back to drag it back for the next pass, there is a lot more effort involved compared to the older model. The other thing is this is a lot heavier. So in regards to weight, I'm a pretty strong guy and I was used to kind of moving this around fairly easier, this vacuum cleaner. And it's reasonably light. It's not too heavy. I can lift it with one arm. This one, I can still lift it with one arm, but it is just a lot heavier, a lot heftier, and there's a lot more bulk to it as well. So when you are using it, if you've got a smaller apartment or a smaller flat, you might notice that you're kind of bashing into things a little bit more because the footprint on this one is so much smaller compared to the footprint of the new Stratos. So again, just maneuverability, the weight in your hand, if you've got a dodgy wrist or you've got weak joints, this is something to be aware of when you're using this because you can certainly feel the weight difference. The other thing that you need to kind of be aware of as well is that this is subjective, and I know that this is just my review, but I don't believe that this is built as well as this one. I think Shark have gone a little bit cheaper on the way that they're designing their new vacuum cleaners. And I'm not sure what it is exactly, but it doesn't feel that it's put together as well. Like, for example, the lift away function on this model here, when you press the little lift away button and you press it, and it just nicely comes away and it nicely clicks back. It's got a nice click to it and it feels very secure. On this one, on the new one, I've had so many times where I've misjudged it and it hasn't quite gone into the slots. And what that's actually caused is a pressure strain on the plastic. It might be hard for you to see, but if I just zoom in, you may be able to see there's like the plastic's actually got stretched and it's cracked slightly. And that's because I've had a few times where I've misjudged this and it misaligned it. So for example, I'm going to take this out now. If I press the button, I can lift it off and it comes out. But when you try to put it back, it doesn't always, it's going to do it now because I'm doing it on camera, but it doesn't always click in place and it feels just different. It feels cheaper. The plastics feel cheaper. It feels a bit more rattly. It doesn't feel quite as good. Whereas this one has always felt, and it's got its war wounds, and it's been, I've used this so many times, but it still feels nice and strong. The components feel a little bit better, and it just feels put together a bit better. That's just my opinion. I know other people that might think this is brilliant, but I think if you've just owned this vacuum cleaner and you didn't have one of the older ones, you wouldn't notice any difference. You just go, okay, it's great and whatever. But I just feel that the build quality isn't as good. Now let's get on to the good points, because that's really the most bad points I can really say about this vacuum cleaner. The good points, the cleaning quality on this is fantastic. It is very good. The pickup is fantastic, and with that rubber blade that I mentioned before on the rollers, you always find that it picks up all the very fine particles. So that's great. I think that the option here of the odor control device is a little bit of a gimmick. I don't really see, you can smell it when you're using it, but to be honest, the smell quickly fades away. So I think you're better off with just an air freshener or something else that you might use around the house. I don't really think that's a great thing. I think it's a bit of a gimmick. But that said, it does smell. You can smell it when you are using it, but I won't be replacing mine once that runs out. The other great thing about this, and I noticed this in a massive way, especially having a cat, is that I spend a lot less time emptying this model because it has this huge container, which is really, really easy to empty. On the older model, when you press the lift away, when you take the container off and you take this little option here, well, you have to kind of press this clip manually to then open up this little cage here, and that's fine and it works well, but there isn't a lot of space in there. It's quite small. Now on this model, when you press the button to remove the dust cap, so you press this dust cap relief button at the top, when you press that and it comes away, you can take it over to a bin, and at the bottom you can see there's like this lever mechanism that's built through it, and when you press this button here, this will then release the bottom. I've already emptied this earlier on, so you can press it down and it flips open and it's dead easy to empty. And because it's big, it means that the dust and stuff falls out a lot easier, whereas in the other one sometimes I had to manually kind of pull bits out because it kind of got stuck. So that's again a very, very good thing if you've got pets or you've got cats or you've got things with a lot of dust. And again, I'm just going back to the fit quality here. See how a little bit more tricky this is to click in place. It doesn't go in quite as easy. It does get there eventually, but it's not quite as easy as the older model. So yeah, that's really, really good. It collects a lot of volume of dust and dirt and debris, and you spend less time emptying it, and you still get the full suction power. One thing that I have found annoying with this particular cleaner, going back to some of the faults as well, just something to be aware of, is that when you move, like you decide that you want to do the function of just using this part of the handle here. So if I just move that, oops, if I take this back slightly just so you can see this. So if you decide that you want to kind of take the hose off and you're kind of using this, well, what you find is this is quite tight. The hose itself is quite tight, and as soon as you kind of move it and pull it very, very slightly, you find that in certain circumstances this will just drop over or fall over. So that can be a little bit annoying, and because this is quite heavy you would think that it would stay in place, but actually it can fall over quite easily. So again, that can be a little bit annoying. Another really good benefit to the new model is the anti-hair wrap plus technology. It works incredibly well. On my old model I was constantly taking this piece off and having to clear the roller with a sharp tool that they give you inside the actual roller housing itself to take any hair off, and I did that very, very regularly. With this one, not a problem at all. I've never had any problem with anything wrapping around it, and that technology works really, really well. The tools also work very, very easily on this device, so you can actually pull it off from here where you've got your different tools and you can stick them on. Now, they don't have a clip mechanism like they do on the Dysons. It's purely based on friction, so they can be a bit tricky to pull out, especially when you've been using them, because they get sucked in, obviously, and they can be a bit difficult to pull out, but generally they're pretty good. Again, I've got on mine, I've got the two here for general kind of using that for kind of using on my furniture and things like that. And this little piece here works very, very well. Again, it's got these rubber fins that clean very, very well, and I kind of use that for cleaning my staircase and things like that. This vacuum cleaner is very, very good. It is well built, but I don't think it's as well built as the older models. Will it last? Well, only time will tell. I mean, the problem I had with my old model, which is again problems I think that are in the design of these machines, is that they don't want you to kind of replace them. They want you to replace the entire vacuum cleaner. They don't want you to replace parts. And on my older model, this piece here obviously broke, which is why I ended up getting this, because I couldn't find a replacement piece. Every time you go on the Shark website, it's always out of stock. So that is a pain. And I think this vacuum cleaner are probably going to have similar problems with this. As this starts to age, I imagine trying to get a hold of some of these components may be tricky. Maybe that's a way that they get you to upgrade to change your vacuum cleaner. But if you got any questions on either of these machines, let me know in the comments. If you found this useful, please give it a thumbs up. I just wanted to keep this nice and brief to show you the comparison, the difference between these two machines. But this is a very, very good vacuum cleaner. It is very, very good at suction, and it is very, very good at keeping my carpets clean. And having pets around, this is also extremely good. So yeah, I hope you found this useful. I'll catch you on the next review.